Hey everyone, today we'll talk about how you can apply for the Tuition Incentive Program or TIP. Stick around till the end to learn more. There are two ways to complete the TIP application. Apply through the Customer Center by calling 1-847-2687. The team is available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every Monday to Friday to assist you. Apply online through the student portal. Here's how. Access the portal at michigan.gov, full link in the description. For new users, create an account first by following the given link. Note that you must have a FAFSA on file or a TIP record to create an account. Once you have an account, log in with your credentials. Confirm that your personal image is correct, and then click Login. A TIP certification message will pop up on your screen. If you're not a new user, follow the link on the message to access the TIP application form. For new users, access the TIP application form by clicking on the MEMI Programs tab, followed by the TIP icon, then the TIP application data icon. Click the Update button to go to the TIP application screen. Fill in the required fields, then click Submit. And there you have it. Applying for the TIP program is that easy. Thanks for watching. Until next time.